As we all know, government administration in India, they have temporarily closed all the education institutions in an attempt to contain the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. So I was also worried in the beginning. But all thanks to our college director, Dr. Nirdesh Vashisht, and both the HOD sirs and the entire faculty members who made us downloaded the Zoom application by which we can get our daily lectures online, and we can even record the sessions with the complete feel of college. So a suitable time schedule is followed for every lectures, which is well managed by our college faculty members. And in that course of time, every professor is willing to guide us or mentor us on subject-based topics, and we can resolve our queries about whatever we are having during that interactive session. So isn't it amazing? Let me tell you some of the tricky subjects, whether it be mathematics or optimization techniques, they have become comparatively easy for me. So at the end, I simply like to express my humble gratitude to the entire college faculty members for thinking about us and for showing the guidance and for nurturing us to groom our personality. Thank you so much.